So you've been scrolling through TikTok and Instagram watching creators land brand deals, making content from their phones and claiming $5,000 or more per month. And you're sitting there thinking, okay, how do I actually get started? I get it because I was you. No followers, no fancy camera, just an iPhone, an idea, and a Canva portfolio that started all of it. I'm Gianna, a full-time content creator and founder of It's Social G, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to become a UGC creator from scratch, step by step, without any of the fluff. First, let's talk about what UGC actually is. UGC stands for user-generated content, which is content made by everyday people like you and me. Brands use this kind of content because it performs 4 times better than any traditional ad. It's authentic, it's relatable, and it converts. You don't need a following, you don't need a ring light, you need clarity, consistency, and the right setup. Start by picking your niche. Beauty, wellness, food, fitness, whatever fits your lifestyle. Then create a dedicated UGC email, start your Canva portfolio with a few clean pages to showcase your videos, and begin researching brands that are already using UGC in their ads. Now here's where most people freeze up, the filming part. But it's not as hard as people make it seem. Use natural lighting by a window, set up your phone to 4K 30 frames per second, use a tripod or prop it up on books, and keep your background clutter-free. That's it. Film 3 to 5 videos using products that you already own in your house and products that you already use and already love. Do a testimonial, an unboxing, a product demo, and some clean B-roll footage of those products. And then edit them in CapCut and upload them to your Canva portfolio, even if they are not perfect. Then start pitching to brands. I've included DM and email templates in my Stand store, which is in the link below in the description of this video, that helped me land my first deals with UGC brands. Use platforms like Billo, Trend.io, and Join Brands and send 5 pitches per day. Doesn't have to be super fancy, just be consistent, that is the key. But here's the real talk. Scams are everywhere. If someone asks you to pay to apply, run. If they ghost you after you send the content, you didn't ask for a deposit. Always, always, always use a contract. Always ask for 50% upfront, and if you don't, put a watermark on your video until you're paid in full. All of that is made in the free scam guide that is also in the description of this video below. The creators making money with UGC are the ones who treat this like the business that it is. Start small, $100 to $150 per video, then scale up from there. This channel is not about fake promises. It's about real strategy that works. And if you've made it this far, you already care more than most. So take the next step. Everything is mentioned in the link below, including my full 30-day beginner guide, portfolio templates, pitch scripts, and more. Comment where you're starting from and subscribe if you want more real step-by-step content just like this. Let's build something real together.